Is there such a thing as TV English? Yes, there is such a thing as TV English, though the term is informal and can have different meanings depending on the context. Broadly, it refers to the type of English commonly used in television shows, news broadcasts, and other on-screen media. Here's a deeper dive into the concept. What is TV English? Neutral and clear language. TV English often refers to a clear, neutral, and easily understandable style of English used by news anchors, hosts, and actors. It avoids heavy regional accents and complex jargon to ensure it is accessible to a wide audience. Scripted and polished. Much of the English used on TV is pre-written and rehearsed, leading to polished sentence structures and smooth delivery. This makes TV English distinct from natural, spontaneous conversation. Cultural norms and trends. TV English often reflects current slang, idioms, and cultural references. Shows like Friends or The Big Bang Theory have popularized phrases and expressions that become part of everyday language. Characteristics of TV English. Pronunciation and accent. In many English-speaking countries, a standard accent is often used in national TV. For example, in the US, General American English is common. In the UK, received pronunciation, RP, is traditionally associated with BBC broadcasts, though regional accents are increasingly embraced. Simplified vocabulary. Particularly in shows meant for international audiences, vocabulary and sentence structures are kept relatively simple to appeal to non-native speakers. Exaggerated emotion and clarity. In dramas, comedies, and advertisements, actors often speak with heightened emotion or emphasis to engage viewers. Educational and informative styles. TV programs like documentaries or news often aim to educate, using formal, precise language. TV English for language learners. Accessible learning tool. Watching TV shows and news in English helps language learners pick up pronunciation, idioms, and conversational styles. Subtitles can aid comprehension and vocabulary building. Examples of easy-to-follow TV shows. Sitcoms like Friends or The Office are great for casual conversational English. News channels like BBC or CNN provide exposure to formal and professional English. The drawbacks of TV English. Not always realistic. Dialogue in TV shows is often scripted, lacking the natural pauses, interruptions, or informalities of real conversations. Overuse of slang or idioms. Some shows may overuse trendy phrases or cultural references that can confuse learners or become outdated quickly. Conclusion. TV English is a fascinating and influential form of the language that shapes how people communicate globally. Whether you're a native speaker or learning English, television can be a valuable resource for improving your language skills while staying entertained.